You can save frequently used scan settings as presets, and then access the presets using the Quick Send buttons. Before you begin, connect your scanner to the network. Access the scanner's web config page. Select the Scan tab. Select Presets. Presets 1 through 3 are assigned to the corresponding Quick Send buttons. Select one of the first 3 entries, then click Edit. Select the type, then click Next. Edit the settings as needed. Then click OK. Press any one of the Quick Send buttons to display the Quick Send presets, then press the Quick Send button you want to use. To show the Quick Send presets on the LCD screen each time you turn the scanner on, press the left arrow button to highlight Settings, then press OK. Press OK again to select Basic Settings. Use the arrow buttons to select Startup Screen, then press OK. Select Quick Send, then press OK. Turn the scanner off, then on again.